Lahat tayo, bata, matanda, babae o lalaki, mahirap o mayaman, we all want one thing: to love and to be loved.
Morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Marasiga.
Need some help?
Sure.
Tara.
The kind of love that supports and guides us.
Sometimes we love too hard that it's difficult to forgive.
But that's okay, because we can receive unconditional love from our own family. Or should I say, chosen family. The best thing love can give us is the chance for a new beginning. Sabi nila, may mga tao daw na swerte umalas sa pag-ibig. Kung alin ka sa dalawa, ikaw lang ang makakapagdikta. We choose our own love. We choose our own happiness.